I recently got the question of, can I wear red on a safari? The answer is sure. The better question is, should you? I did like this question because it gives me the opportunity to discuss which colors you should wear and which ones should stay in your closet. So let's expand the conversation from red to bold colors. So think red, orange, blue, black, cayenne. These are generally considered poor options for two primary reasons. First, bugs are just totally into these colors. Mosquitoes are attracted to them, and the tsetse flies are especially attracted to black and blue. So yeah, just makes sense. Ditch the colors that attract insects. Second, the idea is to blend into your environment while you're on a game drive. Obviously, bright colors stand out. This may or may not make a big difference to the wildlife, especially if you're in a vehicle. Lions, for example, can't even see red. That said, you've made a major investment for the thrill and the excitement of seeing wildlife in their natural habitat. Why take any chance at all of spooking them? Whether it's true or not, I've definitely heard this conversation after game drives. It goes something along the lines of, we would have been able to get closer to that lion if that guy didn't wear that bright yellow shirt. Don't be that guy. Just as an example, take a look at what I'm wearing now. Blends in pretty well with the background. Now, how would it look if I wore red? I may want to sport my cool Red Sox pullover, but the giraffes and many other animals that can see red, they might be Yankees fans and head the other way. My point is, you want to try to blend in, not stand out. Take a look at my background. Those are the colors you should be wearing. I'm also not saying you need to run down to your local Columbia store and buy all kinds of new outfits. This is just a cheap sun pullover that I've worn plenty of times and it works just great. A couple of bonus pointers outside of color. I prefer long sleeves and pants for more protection against insects and the sun. Tight-fitting apparel like yoga pants, not the greatest idea in the world because they fit so close to the skin. It's easier for mosquitoes to bite through them. Final bonus is layers. If you're in Southern Africa during the high season, it will probably be chilly when you head out for your morning game drive, but by mid-morning, you'll want to be stripping off some of those layers. If this was helpful, please subscribe. My next video will be on safari etiquette. My contact information is below. If you have any additional questions, please throw them at me. I'd be more than happy to discuss. And remember, the world is waiting, so get out there and say hi.